Just study for 10 hours.
You're lying! Lie! Hey, is that my bag?
No.
Humans cannot lie.
Fine, it's yours.
Okay.
There are some old papers with numbers in your bag.
Papers with numbers?
You still want it? It's just papers.
Nah, just throw it.
Okay. I'm rich now.
I like my basketball the most.
I think you like Richie the most.
What? No.
Really?
I don't like her.
But like, I want to see them together.